starting the day off with a few high clouds and some sunshine out there. So we overlook Columbus this morning. Beautiful conditions, and it's going to make way for a beautiful week on tap. We're already at 46 degrees after starting out in the low 30s. Have warmed up quite nicely. A little bit of an east-northeast wind. It's going to keep us from warming to our potential today, but everybody is warming quite rapidly. Already 54 in Greenwood. Look at that, 57 down in the capital of Jackson. Columbus Air Force Base looks to be the cool spot at 45. And with these temperatures, we have no precip to speak of all across the southeast. Just a few high clouds working their way through. Once again, spotty clouds. Not going to block out the sun most of the day, but it could affect our afternoon highs. And for us to find any precip, we're going to have to go all the way out to our satellite for the National Satellite and Radar. No precip in the eastern two-thirds of the U.S. Continue beautiful weather across much of the country. The only exception continues to be the Pacific Northwest, where big storm systems coming in, but that's not going to be affecting us as we continue to sit in downright beautiful weather. And why have we gotten to the spring season so quickly, you may ask? For most of the winter, we have been under this Arctic air, thanks mostly in part to the jet stream diving way south down into the southeast. As we put this map into motion, it's going to show that we're going into what we like to call a zonal transition. The Arctic air backs off to the north, and this allows for three things to really happen. Warm, moist air to come up out of the Gulf of Mexico, which has already happened. The winds coming off the Mexican plateau, bringing warmer, drier air, so warm air there. And as long as the jet stream's off to the north, that's really got to keep the cold air at bay and away from us, giving us an early taste of spring across much of the southeast. Even Futurecast shows very few clouds, even for most of the southeast. No precip, except mostly along the Arkansas and Mississippi rivers off to our west. That should stay off to our west as we head through tomorrow morning. Still a few high clouds in the mornings, but those should rapidly burn off. And then as we head into Thursday morning, it looks to be severe clear will be the case for that day. But for the rest of today, 68 degrees, a northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, partly cloudy, just a really nice day on tap across the Golden Triangle. Tonight, we only dip down to about 45, mostly cloudy. Those clouds are really going to help insulate the atmosphere out there, so we won't drop down into the 30s, and then we should warm up rapidly tomorrow. 71 degrees, morning clouds with afternoon sun with a light southeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and get ready for a picture-perfect Campus Connect 5-day forecast. 71 Wednesday, 70 and sunny Thursday, 72 Friday. As we introduce a few more clouds, Saturday we look to introduce a chance of rain, but it's not going to be an all-day rain event. It should just be a 20% chance, and most of that should be Saturday afternoon. And then we warm up on Sunday, 75 degrees. So look at those overnight lows ranging from the upper 40s to the low 50s. So it appears spring has sprung across much of the southeast. And thank you for logging on to your Campus Connect forecast.